In this video, I am going to talk about ePortfolio, specifically what they are and how you are going to be creating your own for this course. So if you go under week one's content, there are going to be several readings related to ePortfolio. You can see what it is. It's basically a collection of artifacts. Could be presentations, assignments, musics, videos that demonstrate some kind of growth personally, and then you're going to be writing reflection pieces for these artifacts. The point of creating like a e-portfolio is for you to show it to other people, to potential employers, for example, and you can read more about what it really is, but I think it's best for me to just quickly show you a sample of an e-portfolio. So this is something that a previous student has done for his e-portfolio, and you can see it's decent looking. It's kind of like a web page, if you would, that you can personalize. And on the right side here, there are various tabs that you're going to be creating. So you might remember our first assignment is called All About Me, and he has uploaded that assignment along with some reflection piece to it. You can see that you will be uploading, for example, your resume, right? And that's something that you can constantly change. It's not set in stone. Once you've created something, you can go back and add things to it, take things out. There is some something on note taking. So this is basically what you will be creating. Now, the final project is not due until week 14, the last week of the semester. But if you leave everything until week 13, to do, then you will feel pretty overwhelmed. So the point here is to add to your ePortfolio on a weekly basis. So every time you see something that has pink highlighted letters in it, that means that piece of material requires an entry in ePortfolio. So take assignment 1 for example. So you would do it normally. You would do the assignment normally. Watch the assignment videos that I've created earlier to see how you would download and upload assignments if you haven't already done so. So suppose you've submitted assignment 1 already, and then I graded it and give it back to you. So what you're going to do is, as it says here, after the assignment has been graded, you will make any necessary changes to the assignment, and then you will create an entry in your ePortfolio. So because you see this pink thing here, then for this week you have to basically work on the ePortfolio. So what you will do is you will go under the course tool button here, and you are going to click on ePortfolio. So it should be empty because we haven't created anything yet. And what you want to do is you want to click on New Presentation. So you're going to give it a name, okay? We can call it GS 150 Pathways to Success. And you can type a little description later on. You don't have to do it now. Again, you can keep on editing these things as the semester progresses, and you're going to click on the Save button. Okay. So now that you have a presentation created, you can start to add various contents to it. So if you click on Content and Layout, then on the left panel here, it says Pages. So there is a new page here, and if you click on that and the pull-down menu, you can choose Page Properties, and you will be able to change the name. So when you read the ePortfolio assignment, you will know what kind of headings you are required to add. So for example, over here, we're gonna add a heading all about me. Okay. So you click Save. And there are other headings that you are going to read. So let me just pull up the ePortfolio assignments for you to take a look. So you can go back to Content, and again, this is your final course project. I'm just going to open that and see. So there are other headings: self-directed learning, presentation skills, goal setting. So you're going to add one page for each of these things. So I'm going to go back here and just add another one. You can click on this icon, and then you will type self-directed learning. Click save. And there it is. So now you have the all about me, you have the directed self-learning. At any given time, you can click on the view presentation button, and then you will be able to see what like a preview of the page that you have created. So far we only done two things. We did all about me, we did self-directed learning, and under both things they are empty, right? I mean, if you click on it, you can see that the title changed, but there's nothing in it yet. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back to the tab that you want to add it. Say I want to add the all about me, right? So you're gonna click on add component. And there are various things you can do, and you know, we're just starting at the very basic level here. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna rather than clicking these things, okay, you could if you wanted to, but you will have to read up on how to do it. But for now, we're just gonna click on text area, and you're gonna give a name to the area here. So we can say, you know, all about me. Again, right? And you will be able to now type things. So what kind of things you can type? Well, because this tab is related to the all about me assignment, so you're gonna go ahead and open the all about me assignment that you've completed, and you're basically gonna, you know, you can copy the response that you have for each of the questions, and you're gonna put it in here, right? And these are editable, which means if so you can make it a little bit bigger. You can edit it, you can change the color, you can change the font, you can make it like bigger, for example, and you know, make it into a different color if you want. So it's fully customizable, and you're gonna do it for the next question and so on and so forth. And you know, try not to make it like a complete copy and paste exercise. Like, try to make it so that it flows a little bit better, make it so that it's like an actual you know, paragraph that is about yourself. Once you've done that, then you can click on save and close, sorry. And what's going to happen is if you go to view presentation again, you will see what you type actually just appeared here. So as you go on, right, throughout the semester, you're going to keep on coming back to the ePortfolio, and you're going to add more things to it. And at the end of it, by week 13, it's you will have most of the portfolio done, and at that point you are just going to basically make it look presentable before you submit it to me. So I'll go through more about how you can make it look nicer towards the end, but there are many customizable options here. You can add a banner to the top, to each page, and you should add a banner. I'll write a little description about what that page is about. You know, you can change the theme. So you know, I'm just gonna change it, for example, to this this one here, set theme. And when you go back to view presentation, you can see that the theme has changed, right? So it turns out that you can actually have different banners for different sections. You can even upload your own banners, right? I mean, it would kind of make sense to upload perhaps your own picture under the All About Me tab, right? And you know, there would be different types of banners for different subsection that you've created. So that's basically how you start the ePortfolio. And remember, it's not just the assignment that you have to upload to the ePortfolio. Sometimes, for example, if I go to week number 3, here there's a reading here, and then there's another reading, and then there's a self-directed learner activity. So you're supposed to click on that, and you're supposed to complete the activity. And then once you've done it, you will submit an entry into your ePortfolio under self-directed learning. So you don't have to. This is not an assignment, so you don't have to submit it in the Dropbox, in the assessment box. But rather you will have to write a reflection piece on this activity and upload this one onto the ePortfolio. So you know, as the semester progresses, I probably will be uploading more videos about the ePortfolio. But for now, the task that you need to do for the first week is just to create kind of like the the bare bones of your ePortfolios, right? Have the tabs ready, and just familiarize yourself with how to upload contents onto your ePortfolio. And again, for more comprehensive guide, you can click on the ePortfolio quick guide that's located under week 1, and that should be a good way to get you started. And you know, for more details on, say for example, how to upload pictures, how to make it look presentable, there is a more detailed instruction view here in this tab, ePortfolio help. So that's it for this video. Thank you.